Right, well there we are. We're in primer now. We've used a nice sealer primer on that, just to make sure no water gets in at all. We'll be waiting to put the top coat on as soon as we can get some paint that matches. Obviously be using the original door for it. Most importantly, of course, I'm sure you've noticed, is this routing across here to allow that channel of the curtain track to go in, and this other rubber, and you can see that there, which has got a lip on it to sit in here. This has been routed out as well. Had some difficulty with that, but we managed to use a very small circular saw first of all to give us the initial cut, and then slowly open it up, and this fits really well. Obviously that's been in and been checked a couple of times and adjusted to make sure it absolutely fits. Next thing we're going to do very shortly is get a coat of top coat on it, and then we'll put a lid on across this. We're going to use hardboard for that, obviously sealed as well, and after that we should be ready to put that back in. Well, there we are, all finished as you can see. Obviously, I think you can guess by the state of the old one that there was really no way to repair it. I mean, it's literally just falling apart in my hands. Very pleased with the quality of the repair, even if I do say so myself. That means that we can get on with fitting up the interior, which we're going to be doing next. I'm going to have a few issues with that, I think, obviously, because there's going to be bits and pieces that don't line up because there's so much extensive work being done to the van. But I'll keep you updated, and can't wait to get the thing back together and get it all working. Thanks for watching.